Hello friends, and welcome to Esther's Royal Party Designs. Today we're going to do a Barbie party. I'm so excited about this. I did have a viewer that had made a comment about a Barbie party video. So here it is, a fun, inexpensive, affordable way to do some fun Barbie party decorations. Now these balloons are for a balloon tower or a balloon column that you will see in this video. If you're going to make this, you do need 40 of the main color you want to use, and then 20 of each of the other colors that you're going to use. I'm using a total of 3 different colors in this one. And then if you can see in the darker pink, I do have a bigger balloon. That's the 18-inch. That will be the topper for the balloon column. And then I'm going to use a lamp pole stand, and I'm going to show you how to get that column or that balloon tower made. Now this is a balloon sizer, and with this balloon sizer you have to be able to choose the sizes you want. As you see, this has 10 inches, 11, 7, 6, but we're going to use the 8-inch balloon sizer. Pretty much in order to do that, you do blow up the balloon as big as you can, and then you just deflate the air as you squeeze it through the hole. And I like to go back and forth a little bit just to make sure that it's good. And then you just do this with the remaining balloons. And then here you see me tying the balloons together, and then we want to get them together in groups of 4, or what we call quads, and we make a bunch of those to put onto the balloon column, and we'll come back to that later. I will show you a full video in the next couple of weeks how I did the column step by step. And we have some Barbie curtain fringe, and we're going to go ahead and get this put up on the wall. And friends, please excuse my voice. I'm getting over a little cold, but I still want to make sure that I got this video out for you. Please make sure you like, hit the subscribe button, and that notification bell. Now you see there is a strip here that you could take off and put it on the wall, but because I like to reuse my decorations, I just use tape and tacks to put them up, and that way it makes it easy for me to be able to reuse it when I need to. And this is what the Barbie curtain fringe backdrop looks like once you get it up. And right here I'm showing you onto the lamp pole. I just got one of these from like a Walmart $10 pole, but I'm showing you, you just pretty much twist over the lamp and you cross it, and that's how you lock it into place. And I'm going to show you how to do this one more time. That you're putting it on there, and you're going to twist one around the other and push down to lock it on the pole. Now make sure you stay tuned with the next couple weeks. I am going to show you a step-by-step video how to make this balloon tower, so keep your eye open for that. And now I'm adding a silver curtain fringe to either side of the Barbie fringe. This is just a regular size silver curtain fringe. I just folded it in half, and again I'm using tacks and tapes to put up on the backdrop. And this is how that looks. These are the balloons I blew up. For the balloon garland that we're going to add, the silver balloons are Starburst balloons. I actually just had those left over from another look that I did. And then these smaller balloons are the 5-inch balloons that I use, that we're going to add to it. I do have a video show you specifically how to use the 5-inch balloons and how to get them prepared to put on your garland. So I will have that linked in the description below. Now we're working on our balloon garland, and I like to use these 260 balloons to attach them together. So pretty much you're going to take one and you're going to tie it around a cluster of balloons, and then you're going to just add another cluster and kind of almost do like a figure 8, or just go around in like a few of the other balloons from the other cluster. If you need to make the 260s longer, you tie another one to each other, and then you keep adding balloons and do like a figure 8 to attach them. And I also do have a full video showing you the step-by-step how to make a balloon garland using the 260s. I'll have that in the description for you as well. And this is how the base of our garland looks once we attach all the clusters together with the 260s. Now here is the part I'm going to attach it to the backdrop, and I'm just going to use regular tape. Masking tape works really good to hold it. I didn't really have any on hand, so I'm just using like packing tape. And then you put your ribbon behind your packing tape and you tape that to the wall, and then that's like your foundation to hold it. And once you have your tape and ribbon taped to the wall, you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to string it around some balloons in the area where you want to hold it first. I'm starting with the top of this balloon garland to attach it to the backdrop. And then you're going to tightly tug on the ribbon and kind of wrap it around to hold the balloon garland into place. Now I'm showing you another spot right here where I'm adding some more security to hold my balloon garland. It's about halfway through the garland, and because I have the curtain fringe here, you will see me in just a second move the curtain fringe over to put the tape and the string on the wall, because I don't want it to pull the curtain fringe out of place. You're just taking the ribbon and you just kind of wrapping around balloons, and you kind of wrap it around and tug, and this is what keeps it in place. Now I'm going to show you here how to add additional balloons to make the garland thicker. I have 2 balloons already tied together, and I'm using a 260 to kind of like make a rubber band. And all I'm going to do is find a spot where I want to add extra balloons, and then I'm just going to stretch this like a rubber band over a balloon already on the balloon garland, and that helps to add volume to your garland by doing that. Just like that. And then the balloons, you could just move them around in place to get them whatever position. This is a better view right here. There you go. To whatever position you want to add them on, you just move them in place. So this is the 5-inch balloons that I've already put together, and like I said, I have a video showing you how I do this. But right now you're just going to find any spot. I lost a couple balloons there, but I can still use the ones that I have left. Pretty much you are just attaching them to another balloon on the balloon garland. The 5-inch balloons work great to add that extra pop on your balloon garland to give it different dimensions. So I love adding these 5-inch balloons because of that. Now this is the Starburst that I told you I already had, and this is pretty much, I'm taking glue dots to attach it to the balloons. You saw a second ago I held up where I wanted the Starburst balloon to go, so I'm adding glue dots to the Starburst, and then that will allow them to stick to my balloon garland. And then once you put the glue dots where you want them to go, it's like a film cover that you just peel off the back of it, and then it makes it sticky, and it will allow it to stick to your garland. And I'm just placing it where I want it to go. And then as you see me just pushing down to secure it to my garland. And I'm just going to add another one right here in the same way. These you can get off of Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. So I'm putting together the Let's Go Party banner right here, and I'm going to get that put up on the backdrop in just a minute. Now I'm about to add the Let's Go Party banner. Again, I'm moving the curtain fringe out of the way. I'm sticking the tape and the ribbon onto my wall first, and then I'm covering it up with the curtain fringe. And again, I'm doing this because if you try to put the tape on top of the curtain fringe, it will pull it and it won't lay flat. So you need to put it on the wall first, and then that way it can lay flat for you. Here I'm bringing my completed balloon column into place. And here's the final look for our Barbie birthday party decorations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified when I put out new videos. Thanks for watching and have a royal day.